that it should come to that normal offline classes, or you want to go online even now also?
Only offline classes needs.
Only offline classes. Even for other institutes and colleges, the students are requesting to make offline classes in other colleges also.
Students face issue of internet issue, sir.
That is a point that we have analyzed during this lockdown, that even in most of the students, teachers and other people still they face this problem. That is the problem with actually overall infra, that we are ready for this online switching or not, switching fully online. Yes, we should, or you should complete this thing, or you plan to do this thing, but due to any reason you were not able to complete. Industrial visit, yes, Maheshwaran. Because due to lockdown now, otherwise you will be able to go for industrial visit.
Yes, sir. We planned, sir. We planned to go for IV.
Okay. Where you planned actually?
Kerala, sir.
Fine. Kerala?
This guy, Wasim sir, only arranged it, sir. We collected transport fees. That's
fine.
Last year, due to Corona, so, they canceled that.
Due to COVID now.
Yeah.
That is the issue.
No, I am going for higher studies, sir.
Fine. So others can write in chat also. If you are going to unmute, that's fine. Otherwise, you can write in chat. So how many of you you will go for job? Nadeem?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Elan, go one. Yeah. So higher studies means most probably you will go for PG,
MCA.
post graduation.
Yeah,
MCA.
MCA.
Fine. That's fine. That is also a good, you can say, option, that first you can go for MCA, then after that you can join in any organization for job. Otherwise, if you are planning to go for 1 year or 2 year, or even for that, no, I am not going to continue studies and I am going to join somewhere, then you have one option also. Let me tell you that in few companies, or even in few colleges and universities, you can continue your education also. Because I think one of my junior has continued like this, that he joined TCS, and in TCS, actually in TCS and Wipro, only in few good companies, you have option that during your job you can join for any college with which they have tie-up with TCS and Wipro. They can continue for higher studies also. Or otherwise, if you are going to join any company at your own level, you can join any other college or university from where you can continue your studies also, like on weekends, or in distance mode you can continue your higher studies. That will be also good. I think now MCA is of 2 years. I hope all of you know this thing.
Yes, sir. 2 years.
So because when I did MCA, it was 3 years. So I invested my 3 years. I don't want to say I wasted my 3 years, but I would say I invested my 3 years. So, but now you can complete your MCA in 2 years. So that's fine.
To do courses instead of studying MCA, sir. I'm doing CCNA now. After that,
fine.
So instead of going for MCA, I'm trying to study these courses.
Fine, that's also good idea. Because Cisco, CCNA and all these things, if you are going to do, then most probably you will get a chance as a network administrator, or in any position that is somehow related to managing network and all. And most of the institutes and offices require this type of experts who can handle their network and who can resolve their network issues. That's also a good idea. But if you are not sure and if you are not getting any good chance or job offer, then you can go for higher studies as per your convenience. And if you have already planned, it means you have clear mindset, then of course you should go for higher studies also. That's also a good idea. But if someone is going to join anywhere like for job, and he is going to continue his studies in distance mode, even you can continue, I think, or in evening mode if you are getting somewhere in some college. So that will also be a very good idea. But of course you have to, you can say that work hard for that you have to go for a job also, you have to study also. But after 2 to 3 years, you will be having good offers, very good offers, as you will be having experience also, and your degree will be completed also till that time. Nadeem, I would suggest it will depend on your choice, that if you are ready for that much extra work, hard work, that you can manage your job with your studies, that's fine. Of course, I would recommend that. But if you think that no, I am comfortable in study only at this time, so for next 2 years or 3 years, I am going to study properly. So, but the thing is that then you have to invest your time and effort properly in your studies. Then it will be good that if you are going to complete your MCA in 2 years and you have proper knowledge and good command over the things that you have studied in MCA, then of course after MCA you will have good offers. Until that time, I hope that this COVID issue will be somehow, we will be coming out from the issues related to COVID. For that extra hard work, then you can go for job with the studies. And if you are in a stage that you are not able to decide, then simply go for MCA from good institute wherever you are getting admission. Like you may go for NITs also. I think most of the NITs have MCA in their colleges. I would suggest that if you are going for higher studies even now, then you should go for a few this type of courses that Nadeem actually suggested, that Cisco CCNA or any course related to data science and machine learning. As per your interest, I am not recommending any course. Even few courses are available for blockchain. So I mean to say simply that is related to the recent technologies. So recent technologies, courses related to recent technologies, you may opt with your 2 years full-time course also. I ask that which type of course you would pursue. Probably also because you are in final year, so most probably you will be having so many questions regarding your career. So if I will be in a position to suggest you something, then of course I will suggest you. Otherwise, I will explore as per your query and then I will suggest. Meeting?
Yes, sir. Of
We
course.
can wind up.
Great course.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Goodbye.